The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, released in February 2023, offers impressive features. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and running Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, with One UI 6, it promises snappy performance. The standout feature is its camera setup, including a massive 200-megapixel primary camera, offering exceptional photo and video capabilities. The phone also boasts an elegant design with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, IP68 water resistance, and an aluminum frame. With a large 5000 mAh battery and fast charging, it's a top-tier flagship phone for those seeking powerful performance and exceptional camera capabilities.